Hello. So for the first question, we chose the Journal of American Chemical Society.
So we go to Web of Science, to the products, and journal citation reports, and we type
Chemical Society. Journal of American Chemical Society.
Now we see the journal impact factor that is 16.383 in 2021.
And now we're looking at the ranking of the chemistry multidisciplinary, the quartile. It's in Q1, and the GF percentile is 91.34. Okay, so this is it for the first question. Now we're going to go to the second question. Use the same journal to get its side score,
quartile, percentile. So we go to Scopus. And we search for sources. Then search. So we got 3 results. So Journal of American Chemical Society its site score is 25.
And the highest percentile is 98%.
And to search in which quartile the journal is, first quartile, then apply. So it appears in the first quartile. However, if we search in the second quartile, that won't appear.
So this means that it's in the first quartile. Okay, so we're done with the second question. Now for the third one, we have to choose a category or specialty of our choice and get the list of journals in the specialty.
So we go back to Web of Science, Products, Journal Citation Reports, and Categories. And we chose Chemistry. Then we chose a subcategory, Chemistry Medical. And we obtain 63 journals. And their impact factor is 15, 12, and many others.
So this is it for the third question. Now for the fourth question, we have to choose an author and get his H index. We're going to do this using Scopus. And we go to Scopus and search by author. And we will search for Muhammad Hamidi.
So the H index is 22.
And we can also see that he published 39 documents. And this is it for the fourth question. Thank you.